The US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) is advocating for the reclassification of marijuana from Schedule I to Schedule III, citing its lower potential for abuse compared to other controlled substances, currently listed alongside dangerous substances like heroin and LSD. The move is part of a broader review initiated by President Joe Biden in 2022. In August, Health and Human Services Assistant Secretary for Health, ADM, Rachel Levin, sent a letter to the Drug Enforcement Administration (DEA) supporting the reclassification. She proposed placing marijuana in Schedule III, a category that includes substances with moderate to low potential for physical and psychological dependence, such as ketamine, testosterone, and Tylenol with codeine. The FDA's controlled substance staff, in documents posted online, outlined 3 criteria supporting marijuana's reclassification: a lower potential for abuse than substances in Schedules I and II, accepted medical use in the US, and low or moderate risk of physical dependence in abusers. The National Institute on Drug Abuse also concurs with this recommendation. Despite a high prevalence of non-medical use, marijuana appears to have less severe outcomes compared to substances like heroin and cocaine. The researchers note that even with products containing high levels of THC, the primary active compound in cannabis, serious consequences are limited. The data also suggests scientific support for some therapeutic uses of marijuana, including treating anorexia, pain, and nausea and vomiting from chemotherapy. However, researchers emphasize that this doesn't imply established safety and effectiveness for marijuana in treating specific health conditions. Marijuana withdrawal, reported in heavy, chronic users, is described as relatively mild compared to alcohol withdrawal. The potential reclassification could have significant implications, including opening avenues for research, easing banking restrictions for cannabis businesses, and changing the tax code affecting sales of Schedule I and II substances. Currently, 24 states, 2 territories, and Washington, D.C. have legalized cannabis for adult recreational use, while 38 states allow medical use. The cannabis industry has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar sector since the first adult use sale in Colorado in 2014, attracting interest from various industries. While the DEA holds the final authority for any scheduling changes, the process involves public input through a rulemaking procedure. Rescheduling marijuana has the potential to reshape its legal standing, impacting research, businesses, and taxation in the cannabis industry.